Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to set deadline Odoo 19 manufacturing. So let's dive into the manufacturing module and let me consider an operation which is the manufacturing that is already confirmed. So we know that we already have a feature called deadline, but the deadline field were automatically populated once we confirm the order when we just go with the root MTO. But right now, you can also just set the deadline beyond the auto population of the deadline over here. So let me set the deadline over here as 3/7/2025. Once you've been set that, you can save the changes that you have made over here. Now, as you just move on to the manufacturing order, you can see that we also have the deadline field in these settings. So you can simply search for the field deadline. So let me enable the date deadline over here. So you can find the deadline over here as today. Now you can also just group it by deadline. So as you just want to add group, here we have the deadline. So you can easily filter based on the deadline and find all the manufacturing orders that comes today or with the given deadline. So this is one of the another feature you can find under Odoo 19 manufacturing. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.